Hi guys, you are watching IT Center. This is a very quick video regarding the Hostinger because I've recently purchased the VPS over the Hostinger, and I'm managing it, and it is very good platform, and I'm using it because it is very user friendly. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how we can take the snapshot and backups over the Hostinger VPS, and I will show you the performance of the Hostinger VPS as well. And if you need a complete video that how we can create the VPS onto the Hostinger website, so give the thumbs up, mention in the comments. If I get 100 comments, then I will create it. So you have to click. Once you have the VPS, then you have this sort of interface, and just you have to scroll down it, then click onto the manage. Once you click onto the manage, then complete statistics of your VPS will be in front of you. You can see that 7% of CPU, 14% of memory, and we have 20 GB of SSD, while we have used 90 GB, and incoming traffic, outgoing traffic, and it is pretty much it. So now we will talk about the uh, backups, and before backups I would like to show you the dockers, and you can deploy the Docker project through the GUI environment as well. So you can create a Docker compose, you can run the script. So it is excellent opportunity. Means Hostinger is providing a lot of facilities in this regard. Now we have to move. Main thing is our backups and recovery. So we will talk about it. Now we will click onto the snapshots and backup. So you can see that we have two backups, one backup per week, and it will offer you 15 days backup. Means one backup per week and total 15 days of backup. In 15 days you will have 2 weeks of backup. So if we click onto the manage backup schedule, so you can see that daily backup is recommended, but you have to pay extra amount. So weekly backup is more than enough, and you can set the cron job as well into the Linux server. So I think you don't need for that, but if you have very sensitive work, you can go for that. In my case, weekly backup is enough, so that's it. So now the other thing is the snapshot. So in free plan we can take one snapshot at a time. Means if you are taking one snapshot, the older snapshot will be replaced by the new one, and you can just keep one snapshot at a time. So generally what I do, that in every alternative days I usually take one snapshot for safety reason, and weekly backup we have as well. And inside the Linux backup I have already configured the cron job. So I think it is very much cost effective. So let's click onto the new snapshots. This snapshot took at 1st of March. Now I'm going to take one more snapshot on 10th March. Today is 10th March. New snapshot. So you can see that this will capture the current states of your VPS. If you already have a snapshot, it will be replaced with this one. So create. So we have recreated a new snapshot. You can see that we have 10th of March today, and we have successfully taken a new snapshot. So that's it for today, and this video is basically all about the Hostinger VPS. If you need that, if you want that I need create a new video onto the Hostinger from initial to end, so you have to mention in the comment section. At least if I get 100 comments, I will create a separate video for you guys, and I will purchase one server for you guys as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, give the thumbs up, and forward to your family and friends. Bye.